What's going on, everybody? We are back in the Average Video Guy YouTube channel. I'm excited to be back. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks. I feel like this is the same story over and over. Shit. Today we're going to be doing some fishing. Well, not today. This is actually, I'm recording this a few days after I went on the trip. My computer deleted them. Actually, it's my fault completely. So I'm going to blame it on my computer. Anyways, we went to Okoboji, like you probably saw in the title. It was a great time. Thanks to my buddy Tanner for letting me stay at his place and showing me around Okoboji. We did about a 2 or 3 day fishing trip and caught some fish, lost some fish, had a good time, drank a few barley sodas. Thank you guys so much for 30 subscribers. I know that sounds pretty lame, but hey, anything counts, and it feels good to have people that, you know, enjoy watching what you're doing. And even though it's a small number, we're growing, you know. You can only go up from here, so unless people unsubscribe, so please don't do that. Cool. But anyway, like the video, subscribe if you enjoy it, and we'll keep them coming. Without further ado, let's skip the boat and jump right into it, boy.
Alright, so we got in. So everybody's super tired. We got some drinks, ate some food. We're getting up in the morning super early, but I guess we'll see you guys then. Stay tuned. Just woke up and getting ready to head out. Trying to wake up and get ready to head out. Got like 2 or 3 hours of sleep. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Long day.
Cody. Well, just took a whole shot and forgot to push record, so that's dope. We just got out here. We set up everything. We've been fishing for a little bit. Nothing. Oh, hold on now. Tanner went and drilled some new holes. We got some tip-ups out, about 2 or 3 of them, and some chub on them. We're going to keep at her and keep you updated. There's Tanner out there drilling holes. We're going to try to get her done for you guys today. I've never caught a pike or anything big through the ice, really. Just on open water. Maybe we'll get that done today. Warm as hell in here. Can't beat her.
I'm working so many fish down there. Oh.
Bro, he's chasing it fast. Keep it right there. He's got to compound it.
If he doesn't hit that.
There he is. He's on it. No, you got him.
I felt it right at the last second.
I saw him from right here. Hit it. That's good news. What do you got on?
Silver bead with a white plastic.
Oh, I got one looking right at mine.
I should have been looking at the rod tip like a dumb.
I was like, why are you sitting there?
I couldn't feel it, dude. I was looking at the flasher like a dumb. Here we go. Strike 2.
Yeah, he's coming up for it fast. He was.
That's a big mark, dude.
That's a really big mark.
That's a big ass. Oh,
Set into a good sized fish.
No way, it's a sheephead.
Really?
I don't think I've ever caught a sheephead through the ice. You're kidding me.
That's crazy.
You're kidding me. Look at this thing.
On a goddamn minnow.
Look at the size of him. He's a nice sized sheepy.
Oh,
yeah! Boys. A sheepy through the ice. That's my first. That's my first sheepy through the ice. God, I love it. That's a big too.
Yeah, it is. That is just a meter.
Aren't they just so pretty, folks?
Jesus Christ.
Look at that good release shot here. Well, definitely not expected.
There he is.
Yup.
He's just chilling.
I think that might be the deal sealer for this spot.
You don't like it?
Yeah. As if I didn't like it.
Got him that time.
There's a gill.
There's a gill. If I ever saw a gill. Not a big one. You kidding me? That's pretty damn good to me.
We're talking about boji gills. We're about an inch off boji gill. We're about an inch shy. Story of my life. An inch shy. Sometimes that extra quarter inch is all we need. Dude, he came up and jolly-whapped it.
Did he just slip or slap it?
He like Mike Tyson did. Here he comes. Coming hot.
You coming up?
He should be on it anytime now. That bass bit. Oh, that bass bit the lightest of all
Really?
the bites today for sure. See if he won't come back. Probably got my waxy. Nope, he's back on it. There we go.
Hooked up?
Yeah. Oh, big gill. Giant gill.
That is a good sized gill. Holy What the fuck am I doing wrong over here? I need to tie a different bead head on.
That's a nice boji gill.
Oh, I like the looks of that, boy. We the only ones over here?
We are the only ones. Everybody else is on the other side. Probably not catching
jack shit.
Probably not even catching the cold. Oh, our tip-ups are almost snowed up over.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I think we're good for right now.
What a slope.
There we go. Yep.
Are you kidding?
Oh, it's just a little guy. Well, compared to the other ones. Dude, that one waxy has like 5 fish on it. Can't lose that wax worm. It's my good luck wax worm. They love it. And we're back down here, going for another. Here he comes. Yep, there we go.
God damn it.
That's a bigger one.
That's a mother.
That's a real big one.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna get down there and try to get on this goddamn action.
I still got that waxy too, baby.
It's a lucky waxer.
He just doesn't want to come off the hook.
Nope. That's your guy. So we figured out the key to catching fish today. It's turn the camera off and they'll start biting. Caught a little crappie off just a little bead with a like a plastic bug. It was weird. He pushed it up. I couldn't feel my jig because he like was swam up with it. Weird. About as weird as this guy next to me here.
Oh, I don't know about that. Nope, he's on mine again.
You got him?
Got one. Oh, it's a perch.
It's a perch! We're hitting different species all the time here, bud.
Look at that little perch.
Oh yeah.
Looks really weirdly formed, but
Really?
I don't know.
Doesn't really look too bad.
Just squiggling in my hand. Very weirdly. That's why it's marking so weird. Must be some perch down there. There he is.
There you go.
What is that? Big gill. Real big gill. Big gill.
Jesus!
Real big gill.
That is a motherfucker of a gill.
Okoboji monster gill.
Oh, oh!
Oh, that's a
Look at that. Jeez, oh, Pete's. Come on, give me one of them.
Oh! Broke the hook
What?
off with him. That,
That
folks, is a big bluegill.
Focus on a little bit. Oh,
Look at that thing. That's gotta be 9.5.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Broke my hook.
You know what?
Oh yeah. He really is up, dude. Really is up.
What the hell did you hook into, bud?
I don't know. Oh my.
You see it?
Not yet. It's like sitting right under the ice. Bass. Nice bass. Nice little bass.
Oh yeah. Screen kind of sucks, but nice little bass under the ice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Put up a good fight.
Yeah, I did. We thought it was something way bigger.
I mean, that was still good. Just got on that ice or something.
Hell yeah.
Damn, I thought I had some monstrous.
Hey, what are you doing back there? Get out of my face.
I think I'm good. Look at these guys. Fuck, look at that guy. Look at this guy. Look at those guys. Oh! We're driving on the ice.
You're on the ice.
Oh my god.
First time
Oh my god, dude.
for the year.
Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's just follow somebody else's tracks.
That sounds like a good idea.
Look, everybody's been just plowing through that drift, boy. Drifting. Tokyo style. Okay, I feel like stopping right.
This is the ticket.
Yes.
Yeah.
So a real man does it right there, boy. Bare-handed. Okay. Now my hand's cold. Hands are cold. Don't like it. Okay. Oh wow, could I put that hole any further fucking away?
Bad placement, eh?
Not good place.
You're not even gonna close the f***ing door?
Why would I?
Just do it out the window. Oh, that's, there you go. There you go. What the fuck are these guys doing? The fuck are y'all doing? Get in the window.
What the hell is going on?
He's hanging out the window, dude.
Like
I'm taking secret pictures, like laying out the car door.
Miss son of a bitch.
It's a really light one. It's still down there. Oh!
Suck, it's setting the fucking hook.
It's hard out of the truck.
We just got done setting up a few tip-ups and nothing happened. One kind of triggered. We're not sure if something took it or if it just slipped off because it's so freaking cold outside. It's like -2 right now. The first day was windier than shit. The second day we didn't really do much at all. We slept and messed around, and then today we went out and set up some tip-offs, kind of just sat in the truck, let the dog run around and people watched a little bit, but it was really cool to kind of see like how people I mean, it's still in Iowa or whatever, so it's still like kind of the way I know how to fish or whatever, but like everybody kind of has a different perspective and stuff like that. We met some cool people along the way. Also, big shout out to my buddy Tanner. Thank you very much for letting me stay at your place. It was a great time. You showed me around. Really appreciate it. I'll put his Instagram down below, so go check him out. He does a lot of cool stuff. He's always catching muskie or some shit. But I want to thank you guys again for 30 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like much, but we're on our way, guys. We're fucking doing it, and it's only going to go up from here. So keep subscribing, keep liking the videos, and I know we didn't catch much, but we're going to keep trying. We're going to keep pushing on and having some good times. But love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!
They not hit our tip-offs. Dude, that thing is cooking. Whoa! You see that?
You just whip it?
He was on like 2-3 wheels there. I thought he was gonna go tipper.
Oh no.
That looks like a blast.
That does look like fun as fuck.
Look at him flying.
He is just ripping, dude.